SafeX1 is taking road safety to a whole new level. A delivery person wearing a special suit, zipping through the air with a jetpack. FlexiSpot V6, an office chair with an exercise bike built right in. In this video, we'll delve into 9 remarkable inventions that are setting the stage for a future filled with innovation and progress. 1. Rosa Solar Array. Enter the Rosa Solar Array, a revolutionary development by deployable space systems with the support of NASA. This innovative technology offers a compact design that allows for rapid deployment and retraction, making it a game-changer for satellites. Its primary advantage lies in activating solar arrays only when additional power is needed, all while being less susceptible to space debris damage. Rosa is already making waves aboard the International Space Station, enhancing its power supply for a wide range of scientific and commercial missions. 2. SafeX1's Smart Zebra Crossing. Pedestrian crossings rising from the ground might have wowed us, but SafeX1 is taking road safety to a whole new level. They've introduced a smart zebra crossing equipped with sensors and lamps on columns. These sensors detect approaching pedestrians and emit bright signals to alert drivers. 3. Cooler Master Orb X. Building the perfect home office or gaming setup often involves purchasing various components like chairs, keyboards, desks, and monitors. But what if you could streamline this process? Cooler Master has done just that with the Orb X, a gaming capsule designed to be the future of gaming. It comes equipped with everything you need for an immersive gaming experience, including a comfortable chair, a keyboard and PC stand, a monitor arm, and most importantly, a jaw-dropping futuristic design. 4. Hydrogen-powered trains. In the quest for sustainable transportation, hydrogen is emerging as a frontrunner. Poland has given the green light to shunting locomotives powered by hydrogen engines, developed by the company PESA. These locomotives, known as the SM4260N, promise the same traction characteristics as diesel locomotives while operating without harmful emissions. Equipped with 2 hydrogen fuel cells generating 170 kilowatts of power, they can reach speeds of up to 90 kilometers per hour. 5. Stanford's personalized exoskeleton. Portable exoskeletons have long been a dream of sci-fi enthusiasts. Now they're becoming a reality, thanks to Stanford's groundbreaking work. Imagine an exoskeleton resembling a boot that enhances your walking speed and reduces strain on your legs. That's precisely what Stanford has developed, and it goes a step further. Unlike traditional exoskeletons, this one is personalized through machine learning. 6. Domino's jetpack. Pizza delivery. Picture this: a delivery person wearing a special suit, zipping through the air with a jetpack, delivering piping hot pizzas to your doorstep. That's the future of pizza delivery, and Domino's is leading the charge. 7. FlexiSpot V6. In our modern world, many of us spend hours on end seated at our desks, which can take a toll on our health. But what if you could combine work and exercise seamlessly? Enter the FlexiSpot V6, an office chair with an exercise bike built right in. This unique chair allows you to stretch and exercise while working, eliminating the need to leave your workstation. With height adjustment, arm rests, and a tilting mesh backrest for proper posture. 8. Robots for space exploration. Space exploration is an endeavor that requires cutting-edge technology. Japanese company Gitai is at the forefront of this field, unveiling prototypes of robots designed for large-scale space operations on nearby planets. These robots can perform a wide range of activities, from collecting samples to debris removal, environmental surveying, and station maintenance. 9. Sea life. As the world seeks cleaner and more sustainable energy sources, offshore wind farms are gaining prominence. French company Life is taking this a step further with their pilot offshore wind hydrogen platform named Sea Life. This innovative concept involves using electricity generated by offshore wind turbines to power water electrolysis, splitting water into hydrogen and oxygen. A single floating platform with an area of 200 square meters can produce up to 400 kilograms of hydrogen per day. In conclusion, these 9 inventions are a testament to human creativity and determination. They offer glimpses into a future where technology improves our lives, enhances our environment, and takes us to new frontiers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Stay tuned for our next video. And remember, the future is full of possibilities. See you soon.